What is a DJ?
Left to right, left to right, left to right.
A DJ, also known as a disc jockey, is someone that performs recorded songs to inspire emotion to an audience. There are many different ways that people DJ. DJing started on vinyl record players and a mixer, but nowadays, it's all digital with effects and ways to create live mashups and performances. A lot of DJs that you may know are producers as well. They create their own music so they can DJ their songs live to create epic shows with epic visuals. There are also other ways of DJing, like what our own instructor, Mr. Howe, also known as DJ Inferno, does. He's able to create a performance with DJing by scratching records, splicing audio, and playing original compositions to create live mashups. If you want to learn more about how to create your own songs that you can DJ live, check out mix-major.com.